Hello everyone, and before I start, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Yepsan, and today we're going to talking about my future life. And this is something that interests me, which is about life's goals. And everyone in this world must have goals in life. So today I wanted to tell you about my goals. And for me personally, at this time, my goal is to be able to speak in English fluently, and I want to finish my education at UKI on time and make my parents proud of me. After graduating from college, I will make English learning class for everyone who want to learn English as a job. I convert to help people to learn English because I feel that English is important and teaching is good things, and without us realizing it, when we teach others we actually learn from it. And I also have that for now I can and pass to study abroad program. I also want to get a decent job someday so I can support my life and my family. And lastly, I also hope that I will be better than I was before, both in terms of knowledge, relationship with other people, my relationship with my family, even my personal relationship with God. That's all. Thank you guys.